Hey, hey, hey. Oh, y'all, it's that time. It's been a long time since I had some crab and lobster, so I'm out with my friend Jonas. I just helped him get a helot, nice size helot. And so he brought me out for lunch. And look what, ooh, that's just a little bit. But I got a big old leg. You got this. You got this. Y'all, I'm getting it out. I'm getting it out. I'm getting it out. Somebody had mentioned, we haven't seen you in a while. Yeah, they haven't seen me in a while because I've been working on my weight. And so I don't be eating out too much. But when I do, I'm going to make it good. I got a migraine today, but I had to come out for a second. So since I'm out, and somebody paying for my meal, I might as well eat good, right? Oh, God. This is good. It's good. I love it. Mm. 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 All right, let's crack open this lobster. Let's see it. Let's see what the lobster tastes like. Good though. Good. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, look at it dripping. Mm. Delicious. So, guys, it's been great. I hope y'all enjoyed these crabs because I did.